Hello dear students, I am Aditya Sengar, your guide for your digital school and online classes. Dear students, live classes is a new venture for us. But remember, there are some points which we really need to take care of while attending our live classes. So here we will discuss those points which you really need to take care of when you are attending your digital school and live classes. Dear students, always be prepared, be punctual and log in on time. As your daily school, always remember punctuality is the main responsibility of a student. So we always be assured about logging our classes on time and even try to log in before 2-3 minutes of the decided time. Remember, attendance is always important. So in live classes also make sure that you don't skip any classes. You always attend all the classes on time. Students, it is important for us to arrive prepared in our classes. Always be in good attire while attending your classes. Always comes after your breakfast or lunch. So all you have to do is get your learning. Students, remember, assignment and homework is always the most important part of your study. So here in the live classes also, you will get the assignments and your homework. So while attending the classes, make sure that you have done your homework and you are ready with your assignment. Get yourself a particular and dedicated place. For attending your daily live classes, decide a place in your home where you get zero disturbance and where you can easily attend all the classes. Always respect your peers, respect your fellow mates. It is mandatory for you to keep discipline in your live classes just the way you keep it in your daily classes. Whenever you want to speak, unmute your microphone. When some of your fellow has unmuted the microphone, let him speak. Do not disturb them. Remember, bad technology should never be an excuse for not attending the online classes or the live classes. Always make sure you have a better internet connection, a proper 4G connection while you are attending your live class. Because all these live classes and the lectures are not going to be repeated. Always remember, whatever device you are using, close all the other applications. There should not be any other application running in the background of your device which can affect the bandwidth of your device. Dear students, it is very necessary for us to participate in our class. We should be an active student in the live class. If we have any doubt while any online lecture, remember you have the option of raise hand in your live classes. Always use that particular feature. Raise your hand and use the chat box etiquettes. You can always chat with your teachers. You can ask any queries to them. You can get your doubts solved through the chat box. Students, it is very mandatory to be a good participant. Never be a wallflower. You should be active. You should be visible in your class with proper discipline. Dear students, never get discouraged or think that you are doing it all alone. All your fellow mates and your friends are attending the live classes in the same way you are attending it. Your teachers are teaching you every day in the same way they used to teach you in your daily school. So continue your studies from the comfort of your home. Enjoy your live classes. Be positive and achieve your goals. For any information, doubts or queries about the digital school and live classes, you can call and WhatsApp us on these numbers. You can even email us on the provided email ID. So dear students, be positive, achieve your goals. Thank you.